listen up. Pronouns take the place of nouns. I, he, she, we, they, you, it. Sally baked cupcakes, Sally gave me one. Sally baked cupcakes, she gave me one. The pronoun she takes the place of the noun. Sally.
Hi kids, it's learning time. Standing before you is Mrs. Omowaye. The subject we'll be treating today is literacy. Topic, pronoun. Before we move to the topic pronoun, I'm very sure you are all conversant with the word noun. A noun is a naming word. It gives name of things. Example of thing is pencil, pen, biro. And also name of person. Under name of person we have Desmond, Pat, Victoria, Clinton. Likewise we also have name of animal. Under name of animal, dog, cat, and cow. The last but not the least, name of a place. Places like Lagos, Ikeja, Ogun. Having known all that about now, do you have an idea of what a pronoun is at all? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun in a sentence. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun, in a sentence. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun in a sentence. Examples of pronouns are Examples of pronouns are, the first one, he. He. And under he, we have Sam. We have Sanjay. Why do we have these names? He represents a male. We use he for males. The next one we have she. She. She represents female. She represents female. And under female names, we have Victoria. Victoria. Another one, Clara. Other examples of pronoun, we have the word it. It represents names of things that doesn't have life. Things like pencil and animals. It. And the last but not the least, we have they. They. Why do we use they? They represent collective words. That is, when we have more than one person. Take for instance, we have Sam J, Sam, Victoria, and Clara. They are referred to as they. We have Sam, Clara, Victoria, and Sanjay. These are the examples of pronoun. The first one we have E. E represents a male. That is Sam, Sanjay. The next one, she. She represents female. That is Victoria, Clara. The third one, it. It represents cat, cow. The next one, they. They represent Sam, Clara, Victoria. That is combination of one or two persons gives the word they. Now, we will be treating identification of pronouns in sentences. Identification of pronoun in sentences. You meant to identify the pronoun in the sentences I'm about to list for you. The first one, he is dancing. Remember I told you an example of pronoun is he. He is dancing. He is dancing. He is dancing. The pronoun here is he. He represents male, that is boys, man. Example of he, I told you we have Sam. You can say Sam is dancing. We can have Tom is dancing. Number two. Number two, we have she sings well. She sings. She sings well. She sings well. The pronoun here is she because she represents female. She sings well. We can say Victoria sings well. We can also have Clara sings well. And we could also have Elizabeth sings well. The third one we have eat, 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 jumps, eat, jumps, eat, jumps, high, eat, jumps, high. The cat jumps high. The bird flies high. Eats, jumps high. Eats, there is the pronoun. The fourth one we have they play together. They play together. Remember I give an example, Clara, Sam, Vic, Sanjay, they play together. They play together. They is used for more than one person. It could include the male and the female. They play together. Thank you very much for watching and thank you for paying more attention to us. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, you need to do so as to have more. Remember I told you we have more pronouns. We have pronoun we have pronoun ourselves, we have pronoun they, we have pronoun themselves, itself, and the likes. Once you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you watch more. Stay blessed. Bye. Stay safe.